Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. And today's video is an update on one of my mangosteen seedlings that I planted on this area. And yesterday and the other day I thought that this mangosteen will be dried up and all be dead, because all the leaves just went down and it's not really lively, and I thought it's gonna be dead. And then I check if there's something going on with the soil, so I dig in. Maybe it's not breathing, too much soil in it, and then I don't know why the leaves are drying up. It's maybe because in the afternoon this area is like direct sunlight and almost too hot this summer. So yes, and I'm very gladly that it looks healthy. So I'll be trimming up some of the leaves because it's no longer useful. It's almost dried up. See, I think I have to trim some of it. This one, I don't know why it's drying up. I even water it regularly, not too much, but just a few. So that's it. Yeah. So what do you think? What's going on this plant? Can you give me some tips? Because mangosteen is one of the sensitive plant, and you should have a proper humidity and stuff like that. So yes, I think that's it for now, and I hope you like this video. And if you have more tips, let me know. Just send me a comment. So yes, till next time, bye.